Okay, so this is where we're at. Doing the final preparations for the back. I've taken off the counterbalance weight, painted that. That was a bit unsightly. And got rid of all the surface corrosion on the aluminium crash bar. It has been knocked on this left side, compressed in a bit there. But I'll have to source another one some other time. It's not that bad that I can't put it back. We've done all the rear. Let's just have a little look. We've had all the discs off, the pads out. We've deglazed the discs with the grinder, cleaned it all up. We put new shock absorbers on at the back. I mean, they were still working, but they were very corroded and they look really unsightly. We've taken all the surface rust off on the trailing arms, and we've painted the wishbones, the up and the lower links, painted the drive shaft, cleaned all the gaiters and re-secured them, and then that was the front. They were already good at the back here, but we took all the surface rust off of the subframe and painted it with hammerite. First of all, we treated it with a rust killer just to stop it going any further, and then we painted it afterwards. We put paint on a lot of the places. We've had all the inner arches off. That was quite corroded, that tow hitch bracket there. But we've done all the treatment on that, painted it. The hard metal brake pipes, they've all been treated, so they're not gonna, they've been scraped and treated, so they're not gonna get any further rust on them. They're all alright. And the other side, pretty much the same. So it's all looking pretty good. The headlight level mechanism was broken, so I've taken that off and rust treated that, painted it, and fixed the little ball joint back to the mechanism and glued it all in place, cable tied it and glued it, aldated it. So that's all working now. And so with the front one and the back one, that should all work, those systems. Yeah, it's all looking quite tidy. I've got another bumper to go on the back. I'm not sure if it's the right colour, but what I'll do meanwhile is paint the one that I've got and treat it, fix it up. This is all looking a lot better than it was. Yeah, it's had a lot of attention now. And the petrol tank straps, they were pretty corroded as well. So I treated those and painted those. So the only thing I haven't got around to doing was changing the oils, but I've got to get it back on the road now, because the other car's going in midweek, in a few days' time. So I've got to get this on the road then. So I've painted the back wheels as well. They're ready to go on. I'll put the other bumper on this afternoon, put the wheels on it, and then it's ready to go.